Good morning, students. In the last class, we revised the types of sentences and we also learned about transformation of sentences from assertive to negative and vice versa, from assertive to interrogative and vice versa, and from assertive to imperative and vice versa. Let us revise the kinds of sentences once more. Assertive sentences are sentences which state facts. For example, Renu is reading a book. The next kind of sentences are interrogative sentences. They ask questions. What were you doing yesterday evening? The next form of sentences are imperative sentences, which either gives advice, an order, or makes a request. For example, please bring me a glass of water. Here, we are making a request. The last type of sentences are exclamatory sentences. These sentences expresses a strong emotion and they end with an exclamation mark. For example, we won the match. Let us revise how do we change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Can you all read the sentence that is given on your screen? The farmer was too weak to walk. The farmer was so weak that he could not walk. Very good. Now let us revise transformation of assertive sentence to an interrogative sentence and vice versa. That is interrogative sentence to assertive sentence. For example, everybody wishes to be happy. This is an assertive sentence. Now can you change this into an interrogative sentence, children? Yes, you all are correct. Who doesn't wish to be happy? Now let us look at the next interrogative sentence and try and change it to an assertive sentence. Did she accept the invitation? Yes, the sentence becomes she did not accept the invitation when we change it from interrogative to assertive. Now let us see few examples where the sentence changes from assertive to imperative. You should do your work sincerely. This is an assertive sentence. Now can you try and change it to imperative sentence? The sentence becomes do your work sincerely. Very good, children. Let us look at the next sentence. Do not run in the sun. This is an imperative sentence. And we need to change it to assertive now. So can you all try? Very good. The sentence becomes you should not run in the sun, which is an assertive sentence. Let us come to exclamatory sentences. As we all know, exclamatory sentences expresses a strong or a sudden feeling and they end with an exclamation mark. Here are few examples of exclamatory sentences. How fast he runs. I hate you. Oh, I didn't see you come in. Let us learn how to change an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence. Remember, children, an exclamatory sentence can be changed into an assertive sentence and vice versa. But we need to remember one thing, that we don't have to change its meaning. The first example, well done. This is an exclamatory sentence. But the same sentence, if we want to express in an assertive form, the sentence becomes, you have done well. The last example, what an excuse. This is an exclamatory sentence. And when we change this exclamatory sentence to an assertive one, this will become, this is a great excuse. Now that we have learned how to change an exclamatory sentence to an assertive sentence, this is a small exercise for you which you need to do it in your notebook. So open your notebook and write the question. Change these exclamatory sentences into assertive sentences. The first one, oh, I'm ruined. The second one, how lovely the flowers are. The third one, what a horrible night. The fourth one, hooray, we won the game. Fifth one, if I could fly. The last date to submit your assignment is 12th of May. Thank you.